Got to have all the original Sharks in one shot. Promote the show, 15 years, and we're still alive. How about that?
Hey, I woke up this morning living my best life. And if it isn't, at least I gave it my best try. I'm just enjoying the moments cause ain't no next time. Trying to slide with my people on the west side. Yeah, moving different than all the rest cause I'm about doing it different. New vision and no regrets. Man, I used to be a victim, repented of all my stress. Now, excuse me, I'm just venting and getting it off my chest, yeah. Believing one day we all ball, but once you get your shot, just don't turn to a ball hog. Putting my team on, if I'm high, we all tall. Just know I got your back. If you down, then we all fall. That's loyalty, baby. That's right, that's right. Can't control it, but that's life, that's life. Yeah, let's spend time more than we spend cash. You only got one life and it do end fast. But I know you got bottles, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles.
Yeah,
Hey Kevin, would you be ready in 10 minutes?
I'll be ready.
It's all about golf carts. That's all studio action. Golf cart here, golf cart there. I prefer to walk, get some exercise around here. But now, after shooting for 14 hours, I'm dead. So I'm taking the golf cart.